Good morning, friend. Today's article is spectra of sodium atom. Sodium is one of the alkali metals. The optical spectrum of sodium is typically spectrum of all the alkali atoms. Since there is only one unpaired electron, because of sodium is 11 electrons. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. This single electron is unpaired electron and it creates the spectra of sodium atom. The spin of unpaired electron s is equal to half and the multiplicity factor is 2. Is 2. The formula is multiplicity factor is 2s plus 1. 2 into what is the value of s? Half plus 1. 2 get cancelled. How many? 2. The multiplicity factor is 2 and spin is half because of single electron. The spectral terms are dissipated or described in the following table. We have to draw some table. This is the sublevel. This is capital L, orbital angular momentum. This is capital J, total angular momentum, and spectral terms. Sublevels are S, P, D, F. These are the sublevels. S means sharp series, principal series, diffuse series, and fundamental series. The value of S is 0, P is 1, D is 2, and F is 3. Put this value in this equation. J is equal to L plus S and find the values of J. What is the value of L? 0 plus what is the value of S? 1 half. The total value of J is 1 half. Same. Put this value L 1 and 1 plus. How many? 1. 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. There are two values. Then put the values of D in this equation. The values are 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Put the values of 3 in this equation. The values of 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. These values will be coming. Write down the spectral terms. How to write? 2 is the multiplicity factor. The formula is 2s plus 1 L into J. 2 is the multiplicity factor and first sublevel notation yes. And what is the value of spin or J value? 1 half. Same, write down the following term. The 2 which sublevel notation P. What is the value of 3 by 2? Then second value 2P 1 by 2. Put these values of J. Then third one is 2D 5 by 2, 2D 3 by 2. These values. Then next 2F 7 by 2, 2F 5 by 2. Put this value in J. These are the spectral notations in following table. The energy level diagram of sodium as shown in figure. We have to show figure in book. This is the spectral lines or transition of spectral lines in energy level diagram of sodium atom. This is the series. This first series is sharp series, second one is principal series, third one is diffuse series, and fourth one is fundamental series. We have already find the spectral terms. We have to study or interested in this line, sodium line. What is the wavelength of sodium? There are two types of wavelength. First one is lambda is equal to 5896, and second one is lambda is equal to 5890. Doublets are coming. These lines deeply studied in next article, the sodium doublet. Okay, then we have to see this spectra. First is sharp series, second one is principal, third one is diffuse, and fourth one is fundamental series. This is the normal state or ground state. Electrons will be excited and comes to ground state, otherwise various series. First is the sharp series. The transition between sharp series is, this is the sharp series. The transition between P 2p 1 half and second one is 2p 3 by 2. There are doublet will be created, this and this. Comes to this 2s 1 by 2. The next series is principal series. The transition of principal series are 2p 3 by 2, 2p 3 by 2 and 2p 1 by 2 to where 2s 1 by 2. The electrons are comes to this state. Which one? 2p 1 by 2, 2p 3 by 2. Then next is diffuse series. This series, the diffuse series transition between 2d 5 by 2. This is 2d 5 by 2 and 2d 3 by 2. These transitions are allowed in diffuse series, or doublet will be created. Then next one is fundamental series. This series, in this series the transition between last 2f 7 by 2 and 2f 5 by 2 in fundamental series, to where 2d 5 by 2 and 2d 3 by 2. These fundamental series create triplets. Okay, then next is how to write these transitions. The energy level diagram we have already shown. It shows different line in different series and their transition in spectrum of sodium. According to selection rules, certain transitions are allowed in listed below. These transitions of line can be represented in four main series. First one is sharp series, means S series. The transition is N to S half, 2, 3, 2p, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. This is the doublet. There where N is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. Then second one is principal series. The transitions are N 2p 3 by 2 1 by 2, 2 3 2s 1 by 2. This is also doublet. Then third one is diffuse series. The transitions are N to D 5 by 2 3 by 2, 2 3 2 p 3 by 2 1 by 2. This is the triplet. And last one is fundamental series. The transition of n to f 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3, 2d, 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. This is also triplet. 2 doublet and 2 triplets will be arises. Okay. The sodium source contains large number of atoms. All possible excited states are available for transition.